What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and we're back on the S10. Today we're just finishing up the last few things on this cab, getting them taken off, take this truck apart the rest of the way and get it out of our way. We do have another job we need to get on this lift, so let's get this stuff finished up. We're actually taking these skirt brackets off for the Xtreme body ground effects, I guess. And the easiest way I've found to do it is just this die grinder. You just carefully grind away. They're aluminum rivets. You can drill them, but they do have a steel pin in the center, which makes drilling a little bit difficult. So this works quick, easy. We went over here. We got this side off already. As you can see, you just grind away the top of that rivet. It goes really quick, and then you just pop that plate away. So let's get to it. There you have it. That should pop right off now. Yep. Easy peasy. There you have it, guys. Just remember to wear your safety glasses because there is a bunch of flying metal. It's aluminum, but it's still hot and it still will definitely irritate your eye if you get it in it. There we have the whole front. I was able to get the whole front suspension out. Springs, upper and lower A-arms out. Pretty much everything. The whole front is now completely stripped down. We don't need these V6 motor mounts. We have no use for them, so I'm just going to leave them. I still have some parts in the cab and attached to the cab. We still have to pull the dash and stuff like that out of the interior of the cab and the heater box, and it still has obviously the brake booster and the wipers outside. So make it easier to store for now. I'm gonna cut the frame right in front of the cab. It's destroyed anyway, so we're gonna do that. We'll scrap that part and probably cut the back off too behind the cab, and that'll make a lot more compact to store until I get a chance to finish stripping this truck down. So let's get cutting. All right, one final cut here and we should be free. We got that side cut free. We got the truck lowered down, and let's get this cut through. All right, obviously that wasn't gonna work with the GoPro sitting there, so just moved it, made the cut, and we are free now. That whole piece is free. We'll lift the truck up, drag that outside, and like I said, we're just gonna scrap this. It's so twisted and bent up, it's not worth anything. So makes the whole truck a little shorter. We'll probably do the same thing in the back on the frame rails too. There we have it. We have the back frame cut off in the same fashion. Now this thing's much more manageable and much more compact. And we have to actually get this out of the way and bring a car in, do some work to it. So we got all that stuff. That's the worst part about doing projects like this. It ties up not only the lift bay, but also a lot of the other garage. As you can see, I have part of the truck here at the lift, a good part of it here, another part there. So really we're tying up three and a half bays. But it's just a lot of moving around, jockeying around. But let's get this stuff moved, get the car in so we can get back to work on the truck. All right, as you can see, we got the project car, or the project we needed to get done. We have the project truck back up on the lift. We have the cab over there, and it'll be moved around a bunch more until I get this thing stripped down and out of here. It's going to be a constant moving. But we got this truck up on a lift, and I'm just kind of walking around here deciding exactly what I need to do, what I want to do with this thing. And I tend to overdo things. I still haven't completely decided if this is what I'm going to do, but just looking at it, and if I unhook a couple more lines, some brake lines, emergency brake line, and unbolt the cab, I can actually pull the cab off this truck, send the frame away and have it blasted, and then I can actually paint it, and it'll make a lot nicer job. Now is definitely the time to do it. We're not going to tear this truck back apart after it's put together, hopefully. So I don't know. quite possibly that's what I'm going to do. But either way, tune back in, and we're going to keep moving on this project and get it done. We don't have a whole lot of time to waste on it, so we're going to keep knocking it out as quick as we can. Thanks for tuning in. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.